This Android hidden feature prevents people from secretly tracking your location using small Bluetooth tracking devices. To enable this, go to your device settings, safety and emergency, then enable unknown tracker alerts. It constantly listens for nearby Bluetooth tracking tags and notifies you if it finds any. It only detects trackers that are separated from their owners and move with you over time. You can also manually scan for tracking tags if you feel anxious. It works efficiently when your Bluetooth and location services are enabled. If you use WhatsApp, you know how fast it can clutter your phone with duplicates, old images, documents, and random files. Yes, you could clean it manually, but it's not as easy as it sounds. Luckily, WhatsApp Cleaner makes it very easy for you. It scans everything and neatly sorts the media into folders so you can easily review and delete what you don't need. If WhatsApp is taking over your storage, this open source app is a lifesaver. With this next Android trick, you can make your Android phone's UI look like a tablet's UI and use your apps in tablet mode. To do that, head over to Developer Options, scroll down and find Minimum Width under the Drawing section. This minimum width varies from phone to phone. For mine, it is 360. Just tap on it and increase the number to either 612 or 712. For instance, if I set it to 612 and hit OK, the UI will change instantly. The screen will accommodate as much information as it can, the text will get smaller, and most of my apps will switch over to tablet mode. If you experience lag in this mode, change the Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to 0.5x. Also, if your text is too small to read, you can easily increase the font size in your display settings. To get back to the default UI, go to the Accessibility settings, Vision Enhancements, select Default and hit Apply. That's it. It's an easy and fun way to use your phone like a tablet. Try it out and let me know what you think. Scrolling is something we do every day across almost every app. But when you've scrolled deep into a page or feed and want to get back to the top, flicking your thumb all the way back up is a massive hassle. That's where this Android hack comes in handy. It lets you instantly jump to the top of any app, web page or social media feed just by tapping your phone's notch or punch hole camera. To set it up, just install the Action Notch app and grant the required permissions. Then select the single touch option and assign it the scroll to top action. It's that simple. You can even assign different actions to double taps or long presses to make navigating your phone even faster. If you're tired of random pings and notifications disrupting you while gaming or reading on your phone, this Android hack is for you. It automatically enables and disables Do Not Disturb mode whenever you open and close specific apps, letting you use them in peace. This can be done by an amazing open source app called PingOff. Just grab it from the link in the description, allow the required permissions and enable it. Next, simply add the apps you want to enjoy in peace, and that's it. Every time you launch a selected app, DND mode will automatically turn on, and the moment you exit, it turns right back off. It's lightweight, easy to use, and incredibly effective. Well, those are a few useful Android hacks and tricks to enhance your Android experience. Like the video if it's informative, let me know your favorite Android tricks in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.